Hi, I'm Bob Etten with Airstream of South Florida, and today I'm going to introduce you to the 2024 Rangeline from Airstream. You can see we've got some special pricing on this unit. This is a Ram 3500 chassis. It's a V6. It's about 276 horsepower. You're going to get about 18 to 20 miles per gallon on this. It's about a 24-gallon fuel tank, and it burns regular gas. So let's go around to the side. So this has a manual awning. So you got your little contraption, you just screw it on out, and you'll have some supports right here. And then you can also get from Airstream Parts a screen to set up on the outside here. You have pet tethers right here for your pets, and a 110 outlet right here, so you can plug in your induction cooktop, set up your table, cook your breakfast right outside, nice and easy. Okay, let's go around to the back. The Rangeline has about a 3,500 towing capacity, so if you want to tow something. These little units in the side here is called molly panels, so you can hook up some tools, whatever you want, right there. And you've got a zippered screen right here, so you've got a screen on the sliding door, screen here, and then screens on your window, so you can get some really nice airflow when you're at night sleeping. In the floor here, these are L-tracks, so you can put your bikes in here. You take off your front tire, you get these little plug-ins from parts, and you can bolt it right into the floor, and so it doesn't move around. Okay. Other than that, you got plenty of room for storage if you want to haul whatever you'd like to haul. And you got storage in the front, over on the sides, and this is a two-piece bed, and we'll get into that more on the inside. So let's go around to the back, or on the other side. The Rangeline has a gas generator. It's a 2.8 Awning generator, and it's remote start, so you can set up with your air conditioning and your battery charging to come on intermittently when the air conditioning gets so low, come on automatically. And the same with the volts in your lithium battery pack, which, by the way, is a 270 amp hour battery pack. So when that gets so low, you can set it up the generator to automatically come on and be recharging that. And that also has 200 watts of solar to also trickle charge the chassis battery and the lithium battery pack. Down here, you've got your 30 amp smart plug. You just squeeze and just pull right out if you're at the RV park. And if you wanted to, you could always bring your own generator and plug it in for extra power right there. Your dump tanks, and we set up a full tutorial for everybody. So as long as you need, we'll show you how to use this. This is your black and your gray tank. So essentially you would put your hose in, stick it in your septic system, pull out your black tank. There's a little slot there, let it drain, shut it, and then open up your gray water. That's your sink and your shower water, and that will clean out that hose. So on your tanks, you basically have tank heaters for your fresh and your gray, which is done through your Firefly system. But your tanks are basically 28 for your fresh water, 19 for your gray, and then 12 gallons for your black tank. Over here is your docking station. So if you're at the RV park, you basically can go ahead and fill up your tanks right there and flush out your black tank, and all of that is right here, and you just screw it right in to close it off when you're not using it. Over here is your unleaded gas fill, 24-gallon gas tank again on the Rangeline. And let's go ahead and we'll go around to the inside. So here's your sliding screen door. So again, you've got a screen door here, screen in the back, screens on your window, so you can get some really nice airflow through this. Let's go ahead and step inside. Your flooring This is an infinity woven vinyl. It's a composite flooring. There's no wood. Never have to worry about a soft spot. It's stain resistant. So if you ever had any kind of water, you'd never have any mold or mildew, anything like that. This one has the PopTop. So you've got your ladder right here. You just hook it up, climb right up. It's got a capacity of 550 pounds. Okay. You've got charging stations, LED lights, and you've got your fan right on top here to suck out the hot air, which is really nice. Okay. Come on in. Down here, you've got your little workstation, so you can maneuver this around wherever you want. Okay, set up your computer. And by the way, it's pre-wired for Airstream 5G Connect if you want to subscribe to that plan. All these seats turn all the way around. And by the way, these seats are all Airstream. So at the factory, they take these seats, reupholster, recushion. So everything from the seats back is Airstream. The warranty on the Airstream is 3 years, and it is transferable, and you have 3 years of roadside assistance. The chassis from Ram is 3 years, and that's a 5-year 100 on the powertrain. Okay. On the inside here, you've got your Firefly system right here. That controls all your lights, air conditioning, turn on your tank heaters for winter camping. Okay, this is a 4-season camper. And then over here is your Timberline hydronic hot water and furnace heating system. So all that's right here. Again, you'll have a full tutorial on this. And even when you're done with the tutorial, they're going to give you a business card, so you'll have a constant lifeline. So you don't have to worry about not knowing what to do with any of this stuff. On the inside here is your induction cooktop. So you have a 2,000 watt inverter on the Rangeline. That powers this. So this is 1,000 watts. So you can either plug it in here, or you take it outside, plug it into that 110 outlet we looked at earlier, set it up, cook your bacon and eggs, do your breakfast right outside. Super handy. Power strip, charging your phones or plug in. Here's your microwave and fridge, freezer on top. Okay. Back here, your air conditioning. This is 13.5 BTUs with soft start. Okay. Again, you can set that on automatic to come on at a certain temperature. You say you want to keep it at 75, you can have it come on automatically at different intervals. So the same with your voltage on your lithium battery pack. You set it up and it gets so low, turns on the generator, starts recharging stuff. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the wet bath. So it's a wet bath in the Rangeline. So again, it's a 12-gallon black tank. And on the inside, you've got your toilet and shower. You've got your vanity mirror here, which folds out of the way. Your sink also folds up and out of the way. Okay. Your timbre door, which is kind of like an accordion. It's kind of nice. It just folds right around. You don't have that plastic flying around everywhere. So it's actually really nice like that. Nice setup. And then your toilet tissue holder right there. Coming back here, fuse box. For 2024, Airstream put in these fuses that whenever they burn out, they'll glow. So you're going to know when you've got a burnt fuse. All you got to do is check your fuse box. Down here, this is your exterior wand. So you have a little hose, hot and cold. You can plug it in outside, hose off the pet, whatever you need to do. That connection is on the outside. And again, you got more storage here. Soft close on the doors. Storage up above again. Storage up above here. Both sides. Safety components. So you've got a smoke alarm, CO2, and a fire extinguisher in all of these. So you're good to go there. Your bed, we're going to attempt to pull that out. So let's see if we can get it. And just folds down. Easy peasy, just like that. Really nice and cushiony. So it's not too difficult. And again, when you're traveling, just fold it back up and store as much as you want. There's a lot of good storage, but this is a great answer for boondocking for Airstream, just one of the options that you'll have. So the Rangeline came out in 2022, so it's been out for a couple years now. So I think you'll love it. It's a great, great option. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit the like and the subscribe button right here. We'd love to hear from you. Please leave your comments or questions in the section below. My name is Bob Etten. You can call me at 877-554-9955. View all of our inventory online at airstreamofsouthflorida.com. We're located at I-75 and exit 141 in Fort Myers, Florida.